Welcome to the PeopleSoft Site Budget Inquiry. In order to proceed, we recommend that you have previously viewed the PeopleSoft System Overview tutorial. You should have a copy of the Site Budget Inquiry Training Manual handy for referral and making notes. During this session, you'll learn to view budget balance information in real time, view expenditures and revenue accounts, use the drill down functionality to view detailed transactions, print summary and detailed transactions, use the wildcard search functionality, and understand budget check errors. In order to use the Site Budget Inquiry, you would go to the following navigation. Go, Process Financial Information, Analyze Control Budgets, Inquire, Budget Inquiry, Site Access. Site Budget Inquiry consists of two panels, the Summary panel and the Detail panel. Let's go to PeopleSoft to get a better understanding of each panel. The Site Budget Inquiry Summary panel consists of three sections: the Search Criteria section, the Total section, and the Results section. In the Search Criteria section, we begin with the business unit. It will default to 10199. Then we have the ledger. It consists of two types: organizational accounts, which are expenditure accounts. They begin with object 1000 through 7999. Then we have the revest, which are revenue accounts. They have objects 8000 through 8999. Next, we have the account string section. You can either type in the account or use the drop-down menu. We have fund, resource, goal, function, object, and school location. Then we have the budget period. You could use the drop-down menu to choose different budget period years. Once you have selected your criteria, you would click on the Get Budget button. It will populate the Totals section and the Results section. Once it is chosen, the Print button becomes active, and you could choose to print your accounts and balances. Next, we have the Total section, which includes Current Budget, which is Adjusted Budget. Then we have Pre-Encumbered, which are Requisitions. Next, we have Encumbered, which are Purchase Orders. Then we have Expended, which could include journal entries, vouchers, or warehouse orders. Finally, we have the balance, which is your remaining balance. The Results section contains account strings retrieved from PeopleSoft based on the search criteria above. Let's take a closer look at the Results section. Each row contains an individual account string as well as the associated amounts. Each column width can be enlarged or reduced, similar to the Microsoft Excel functionality. You can also sort any of the columns by simply double-clicking on the heading of your choice. Double-clicking once will sort in ascending order. Double-clicking twice will sort in descending order. In order to view the detailed information for a particular account string, simply click on the magnifying glass. The structure of the Detail panel looks similar to the Summary panel. It contains the account string, the Print button, the totals, and the transaction details. Now, let's take a closer look at the transactions. The Transaction Details section contains the following information. The first column is the type of transaction. They are accounts payable vouchers, accounts receivable direct journals, inventory accounting, which are warehouse orders, journal entries, purchase orders, and requisitions. The Transaction Date column is the day that the document has successfully passed budget check. It is posted in real time. The next four columns are document numbers by module. Document Journal ID are journal entries, warehouse orders, and account receivable journals. The Voucher column are accounts payable voucher numbers. The PO column are purchase order numbers. The Rec column are requisition numbers. The last three columns, Pre-Encumbered, Encumbered, and Expended, are the monetary amounts associated to the documents. Let's take a look at a specific example of how transactions tie into each other. For example, let's follow requisition 32072. This requisition successfully passed budget check on July 22nd for $925.84. A change order to decrease the amount by $19.90 was done on the same day. On August 3rd, purchase order 86468 was created against that requisition for the amount of $887.40, disencumbering the requisition. The difference between the two amounts is the actual sales tax and/or freight charges. On August 19th, voucher number 00579593 in the amount of $887.40 was created, reversing the encumbrance amount of the purchase order. The last transaction, automatically generated by PeopleSoft on August 24th in the amount of $89.94, is the closure of the remaining balance of the requisition. Now, let's do an exercise to get a feel of how site budget inquiry is utilized. In this exercise, we will search a specific account string. We will understand the budget check error. We will use wildcard search functionality and print the results. Let's look at a specific account string, 01.1, 00000.0, 00000, 72000, 4310, 0005824. Remember to click the Get Budgets to get the results. This is an example of an account that is not in PeopleSoft and will not pass budget check. Let's go over the budget check process and the types of budget check errors. These errors occur from the budget check process. This process ensures that expenses or total commitments do not exceed budget. It enforces budgetary control by verifying that there is enough budget to spend. These are the possible budget check errors you may encounter. Org budget data not found. This means that the account string does not exist. Insufficient org budget means that the account string does not have enough funds available. Insufficient appropriation means that the fund does not have enough budget at fund level. These errors require contacting your accountant for appropriate action. A budget adjustment or correction of chart field is required in order to clear the BCM error. Previously, we entered an invalid account to demonstrate the budget check process. Now, we will show you how to use the wildcard function to display valid accounts. In PeopleSoft, the use of the % sign represents the wildcard search. Here is an example. We will enter a specific location cost center and leave the % sign as a wildcard in the rest of the account string. The results display all accounts related to that location. To further narrow your search results, you may enter values in any or all chart fields. For example, if you wish to view any of the 5,000 objects code within the same cost center, enter a 5 at the beginning of the object field, followed by a % sign. This will return only the specified search criteria that are in the 5,000 object range. You can print the results of your search by clicking on the print icon. This will open another window that will allow you to print on your local printer. You can also export the information to an Excel file. To do this, click on the envelope icon. The export window will appear. Choose Excel 5.0 in the Format section. Click OK. The Choose Export File window will open. Click the Save In drop-down arrow and select C Drive. Then create a new folder and name it PS Export for easy recognition. Please note, you must save the file in a folder on your C drive in order to open the file properly. You can rename the file to your preference. Click the Save icon. To open the file, go to the C drive on your computer and locate the folder you exported to. The file should be there, and now you can open it just like any Excel file. To simplify your navigation, you may add the Site Budget Inquiry panel to your favorites. To save in your favorites, click Favorites from your menu bar and select Add Favorites, then click OK. Click on the Cancel icon to verify that you have added to Favorites. Select Budget Inquiry Site Access from Favorites. This should open the Summary panel. Internal System Support offers classroom-based PeopleSoft training for requisition processing, inventory warehouse processing, mileage and travel claims processing, accounts receivable and billing inquiry, accounts payable and purchase order inquiry, general ledger inquiry. We also offer online video PeopleSoft training for system overview, workflow approvals, alternate approver, site budget inquiry. If you have any questions or concerns, please email us at internalsystemsupport@laco.edu. Thank you for watching.